MotorAxisUSA. What if I told you the king of hypercars just threw away everything the world thought it needed? No screaming turbochargers. No oversized screens dominating the cabin. No compromises. This is the all-new Bugatti Tourbillon, and before this video ends, you'll understand why many enthusiasts already believe it's one of the greatest hypercars ever created. The first time you see the Tourbillon, it doesn't simply arrive, it commands silence. Every angle is deliberate. The body sits impossibly low, stretched like a jet ready for takeoff. The signature horseshoe grille remains unmistakably Bugatti, but everything around it has evolved. Sharper LED headlights, cleaner body lines, sculpted air channels, and proportions so dramatic they erase everything else in the frame. Imagine standing on a mountain overlook as the morning sun reflects across its burnt orange metallic paint. Before the engine even starts, people stop walking. Phones come out. Conversations die mid-sentence. It carries the kind of gravity that doesn't ask for attention, it simply takes it. That's exactly what Bugatti wanted. The Tourbillon wasn't designed to replace the Chiron. It was designed to make people forget it. Unlike many modern hypercars that chase aggressive styling for attention, every curve here has a function. Air flows smoothly across the body, through hidden ducts, around the massive rear section, and underneath the chassis. Beauty and engineering working together, not competing. Open the butterfly doors, and the experience shifts completely. Instead of entering a cockpit filled with giant touchscreens, you're welcomed by something rarer than horsepower. Rich burnt orange leather wraps the dashboard and seats. Exposed carbon fiber blends with polished aluminum. Crystal-inspired controls catch the light from every angle. Then your eyes land on something almost no modern car dares to offer. A mechanical instrument cluster. Inspired by Swiss luxury watchmaking, hundreds of precision-engineered components create gauges that function like mechanical art rather than another digital shortcut. Years from now, they'll still look extraordinary, because real craftsmanship has no expiration date. Even the steering wheel is a statement. As you turn into a corner, the rim rotates naturally while the center hub holds perfectly fixed. Speed, RPM, and critical information stay locked directly in front of you at all times. Engineering that's elegant, functional, and entirely Bugatti. Slide into the driver's seat, grip the wheel, look through the wide windshield. Everything is focused. Everything is intentional. You immediately understand this wasn't built to impress people standing on the sidewalk. It was built for the person behind the wheel. Now comes the decision that shocked the automotive world. Instead of following everyone else towards smaller turbocharged engines, Bugatti made an incredibly bold call. They brought back emotion. Hidden behind the cabin sits an all-new naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, paired with an advanced hybrid system. Together they produce an astonishing 1,800 horsepower. Those numbers are staggering. But numbers don't explain why this car matters. Without turbochargers smothering the response, every press of the throttle is immediate. The engine answers instantly. The sound builds from a deep mechanical growl into something that climbs higher, sharper, and harder until it cuts through everything around it, raw in a way almost nothing being built today can match. The electric motors don't soften that feeling. They sharpen it. Instant electric torque drives the car forward with brutal force while the V16 keeps pulling relentlessly as the revs build toward their ceiling. The result isn't just acceleration. It's violence with precision. Power reaches all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system that converts enormous horsepower into controlled aggression. Whether you're exiting a corner on a mountain road or opening it up on an empty highway, the Tourbillon feels planted, composed, and impossibly fast. Every steering input is exact. Every corner is readable before you're in it. Every straight becomes a reason to push further. But speed alone has never defined Bugatti. Luxury is the other half. The seats combine long-distance comfort with race-calibrated support. Every stitch, every machine surface, every switch click feels hand-built rather than assembled. Nothing inside exists without reason. Nothing gives cheaply. Even the digital displays stay hidden until you actually need them. Instead of drowning the cabin in screens, Bugatti lets the materials and the engineering speak first, and they speak loudly. Outside, the aerodynamic story deepens. The active rear wing reads speed and conditions constantly, adjusting without input. Hidden channels direct airflow precisely where the car demands it. Massive cooling intakes feed fresh air to both the V16 and hybrid system while keeping drag lower than the body's aggression suggests. The underbody works like a hidden weapon, generating stability without compromising the car's silhouette. Every detail performs. Nothing decorates. Then comes what enthusiasts will remember longest. As the naturally aspirated V16 climbs toward its upper reverend range, the entire character of the car transforms. The sound sharpens, rises, and becomes something closer to a threat than a note, more intense with every passing second. It's the kind of sound that reminds you exactly why internal combustion still matters. Driving through tunnels, mountain passes, or open highways becomes something you don't forget. Every downshift echoes off the surroundings. Every hard acceleration leaves an impression that stays after the car disappears. This is what Bugatti came to prove. Of course, exclusivity is inseparable from the experience. Only a very limited number of tourbillons will ever be built. Every owner can personalize colors, materials, finishes, and countless details, ensuring each car exists as something that belongs to no one else. That rarity makes every sighting feel earned. The Tourbillon isn't chasing the fastest electric car title. It isn't following industry trends toward simplification. Instead, it defends everything driving was built on, while only accepting technology where it genuinely sharpens the result. That balance is harder to achieve than any horsepower figure. And somehow, Bugatti made it look inevitable. Years from now, people won't remember the Tourbillon only for its 1,800 horsepower. They'll remember it because it refused to apologize for what it is. It reminded an industry moving fast in one direction that the road behind still holds something worth keeping. Sometimes the future sounds like 16 cylinders at full load, with nothing between you and the engine but will. And that's exactly why the Bugatti Tourbillon isn't simply another hypercar. It may become the standard every future hypercar is quietly measured against. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, subscribe to MotorAxisUSA for more incredible automotive stories, and tell us in the comments. If you had one chance to own any hypercar in the world, would you choose the Bugatti Tourbillon, or something else? MotorAxisUSA. Stay close.